my public relations team. I might be the founder, but shout outs to the CEO. Shout outs to the CEO PA. You feel me? Shout outs to Kanisha. Definitely great contracts like Crunch Parkland, Crunch Lauderhill. The Crunch brand is phenomenal. No judgment. Don't forget. 7 days a week, from 5 a.m. to 12 midnight. Crunch Parkland has a dedicated daycare. Crunch Lauderhill has a daycare arrangement. Don't forget, Crunch Lauderhill is on the second floor of Lauderhill Mall. And off of 441 Crunch Parkland, it's phenomenal. Phenomenal. You guys never see me. I never put myself out.